G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. Today is episode 102 and we are making the Pink Spritz. So let's get started. Okay, so what you're going to need is a pink grapefruit gin. We've got some sugar syrup, some soda, some fresh grapefruit, we've got some fresh lime, and that's about it from an ingredients perspective. We're going to need some ice, obviously. We're serving it up in our new Bloom wine glass, which is releasing very soon, so keep an eye out. We've got a shaker, well, we've got a Hawthorn strainer and a shaker. So once you've got all that sorted, let's get started. All right, first thing you need to do, grab your shaker, move everything else to the side. We're going to load up with some ice. We're also going to grab your wine glass. We're just going to top up about halfway with some ice. Just let that chill. Grab your pink grapefruit gin and pour 45 mils directly into your shaker. 15 mils of simple syrup. And now we're going to about a quarter of fresh grapefruit. Just squeeze that in. And about half a fresh lime. One more. And give that a good shake. Alright, here we go. So we'll strain directly into the glass. Now, what we will do is grab a slice of grapefruit. Just going to put it down the side there. We're going to top up with the soda water and serve with a straw. And there you have the Pink Spritz. Enjoy.